Howdy y'all, we got a little 2016 model cat CT660. A cat CT13 turbo diesel power, 6-speed cat transmission, 13.2 front, 40K rears, air ride suspension, dual line wet kit for your dump trailer, your RGN, whatever you need a wet kit for, y'all, it's got it. Half fenders, have you looking good going down the road. Got that big chrome headache rack. $170,000 miles on this truck, y'all. Low miles. Been delivering equipment. Full locking rears. Look at that, 6,700 engine hours. 2,300 of them at idle. 104 degrees outside, y'all. It's hot outside, but not as hot as these deals in Southern Equipment. Where you gonna buy a 170,000 mile big truck? As cheap as we gonna price it. Cruise control, engine brake, full diff lock, air ride driver seat, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power everything. Getting your ride, power it up, and come on down here and check this truck out, y'all. 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, SouthernEquipmentLLC.com. As always, we appreciate y'all watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us.